Hello, I am Aliki. I work at Cricket House as a drama facilitator and I am the coordinator of Deis Pobail Project. This project is basically about promoting the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights as well as European initiatives such as Erasmus, Erasmus+, to a wide range of participants from the age of 10 to the age of 50+. We gave around 20 workshops all across the Kildare County, which were very successful in the end. It was a very interesting process from the very beginning of organizing the workshops to actually implementing them. Our workshops involved one performance that was showing an abuse of a human right. We had to create two different performances to make it more relevant to all our age groups and make it more interesting for younger people but older people as well. The performances included an abuse of one of the fundamental rights in the EU Charter. We tried to have a very realistic approach, like something that would happen in an everyday life of a person attending the workshop. The workshops had a drama-based approach, which was really interesting because it made the workshops very interesting, and it helped the participants engaged not only in the topic of the project but also helped them when they had to create their own performance in the end, because they had something to work with.
Hello, I am Yassin Barkewi. I'm a Tunisian theatre maker and I am a drama facilitator with Cricket House Theatre Company. We implemented our workshop Deis Pobail last January and February 2025, and it's a drama workshop for schools and youth groups. We had PBS school, Holy Family School, St. Conleth's School, and we had InSync in Nice. The workshop promotes the EU Human Charter. So we were 6 people who were doing this project. It was me and Aliki, who is the project manager for this project. And the structure of the project is we go to the workshop place and we do some drama games for them to get them into the atmosphere of the thing. Then we do a presentation for the EU Human Charter, so they have an idea about what they're gonna work with. Then we do a performance for them, and the performance talks about bullying in the school space, and the performance itself has some abuse of the EU Human Charter rights. So after that, when we finish, we have a discussion about what happened, what can be prevented for that to not happen, and all this. And in the end, we divide them to groups, and they do their own performances, and we see and we have a discussion, and in the end we close by a full discussion about the EU and about the EU Charter and what we can do from our place to promote these rights.
It was a very interesting topic, not only for the participants that left us an amazing feedback afterwards, but also for us, the facilitators, because we also got to engage with the European Union and the rights. We learned new things, and we are very happy to have worked on this project, and we are really looking forward to have more chances in the future to work on similar projects.